Good morning, students and parents. Welcome to Standard 1 English Language Revision class. Today, we are going to revise the topics which you have already studied. First, we will see comprehension. In comprehension, a story will be given to you. You have to read the story very carefully and then answer the questions based on the story. Read the story and answer the questions that follow. Students, now repeat after me. Bob is a frog. He is green with yellow spots. He has a long, sticky tongue that he uses to catch flies. He lives near a pond. Bob has strong legs that he uses to hop. When Bob was a little baby, he was called a tadpole. Students, here you can see this is Bob with yellow spots. He lives in a pond. He has long sticky tongue which he uses to catch flies, and he has strong legs which he uses to hop. When Bob was young, he was called tadpole. Now we will discuss questions and answers. Question number 1. Who is Bob? Who is Bob? Yes, Bob is a frog. Bob is a frog. Full stop. Next question. What color is Bob? What color is Bob? He is green with yellow spots. He is green with yellow spots. Question number 3. What sort of tongue does Bob have? What sort of tongue does Bob have? Yes, he has a long sticky tongue. So we will write here. He has a long, sticky tongue. Full stop. Next question. What was Bob called when he was a little baby? So what was he called? Yes, very good. When Bob was a little baby, he was called a tadpole. So here we will write. When Bob was a little baby, he was called a tadpole. Full stop. Now children, listen carefully to the sound of these animals. can you tell me which animal sound is this? Yes, this is the sound of a dog. And what sound does a dog make? Yes, a dog barks. Next. Now can you tell me which animal sound is this? Yes, this is sound of an elephant. What sound does an elephant make? Yes, an elephant trumpets. Next one. Now can you tell me whose sound is this? Yes, very good. This is sound of an owl. What sound does an owl make? An owl hoots. Now, let us write the sound of the following animals. A goat. What sound does a goat make? Very good. A goat bleats. Spelling of bleats is B-L-E-A-T-S. A donkey brays. B-R-A-Y-S. A lion. What sound does a lion make? Yes, a lion roars. R-O-A-R-S. An elephant. What sound does an elephant make? Yes, an elephant trumpets. T-R-U-M-P-E-T-S. Trumpets. A cat mews. M-E-W-S. Next, a horse neighs. N-E-I-G-H-S. I hope all these topics are clear to you. This is the question paper pattern which we follow for our regular examination. But because of the situation, nowadays online examination are being conducted in which the questions will be given in an objective form with 4 options each. You have to read the questions carefully and then choose the correct option. The worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on your website. Kindly go through and practice well. Thank you and have a nice day.